Engines friends!
This is a busy steam railroad, just like the one on Soto. All day long, engines puff up and down the track, taking passengers where they want to go. On this railway, lots of different engines are used for lots of different
Friends.
jobs. Let's see how many different engines we can see. This is a steam engine, just like Thomas.
It's like Oliver.
You can tell it's a steam engine from the steam chuffing from the funnel on the boiler. This steam engine is pulling a passenger carriage. It looks a little like Clarabelle.
A little like Annie.
Steam engines are just right for pulling carriages. There are lots of different steam engines. Some steam engines are bigger than others. Like this engine. It looks a little like Henry.
A little
Big
like
steam
Edward.
engines can carry more water and coal than small ones. This means that big engines can chuff further than small engines can. The big engines take passengers who need to travel a long way. This is a diesel engine. It is called a diesel engine because it is diesel fuel that makes it go.
Those are turning.
Diesel engines don't have funnels or make clouds of steam.
Yes,
Even though diesel engines don't make steam, they are very strong.
It's the head.
Here comes another kind of diesel engine.
Just like Boco.
On this railway, the diesel engines and the steam engines are both used to pull carriages full of passengers.
Boco's a woman, our friend.
Some engines are built to do a different job, like this engine. It has a long arm and a hook. This long arm is called a crane.
Jerome.
The crane on this engine is used to lift and move heavy things. This engine is really useful if there is anything blocking the track.
Trees.
So as you can see, there are lots of different engines on the railway, and they all have special jobs to do.